try again. 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. Century Fox presents
Twilight. You'll soon know more about this place than even I do. What am I?
You okay?
You must be new here. My magic isn't working. My name's Colored Sparkle and Pinkie Pie. You're officially up for the coveted princess of the fall formal crown. Where is this Twilight Sparkle?
My Little Pony, Equestria Girls.
I'm so nervous I know. You do realize it's not a real word, right?
In movie theaters from June 16, only from 20th Century Fox. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20th Century Fox.
Fox Family Features 3 magic words. Your ticket to a whole world of family entertainment. When it says Fox Family Features
with
on the box,
scenes
here's
from
what you can expect inside.
The Pagemaster.
I'm a cartoon.
Think what it would mean if I could talk to the animals.
Dr. Doodle, the original. Family Features. Family Features. Rookie of the Year. Far From Home, The Adventures of Yellow Dog.
Whoa, it's a heck of a handshake you got there, Ed.
Edwards is our hands.
Can I bring the show and tell on Monday?
Baby's out.
You ain't gonna crawl away from this one.
Dozeman, missing men in the flying machines. The Sandlot. Once Upon a Forest. Batman the movie. Breaking Away. Shirley Temple Collection. The Man for Starter. Ferngully, The Last Rainforest. Scrooge. And My Neighbor Totoro.
Start the show with a name you know.
Zapow.
Fox Family Features.
Now you can watch everyone's favorites every time.
favorites.
Only from
Every
20th
time.
Century Fox. Available from Barney Home Video Classic Collection.
Fun and learning
With scenes
never
from
end in the
Barney's
playful
Fun and
video
Games.
Barney's Fun and Games.
Just cheer when it's fun and games again. No play can see you play. Once again, all through the day.
Everyone loves to play games. Let's keep on playing our games.
We're clear for takeoff. Let your imagination soar in Barney's Fun and Games.
Now available on home video. Only from Lyric Studios. a vote for Peanuts home video.
You'll laugh.
Ho, ho, ho.
You'll cry.
Ah!
You'll get up and dance as you and your family share the ongoing saga of a boy and his dog,
Snoopy!
a dog and his dinner,
I must admit, he's a very satisfying person to cook for.
a girl and her football, and a kid and his blanket.
What are you gonna do with it when you grow up? Maybe I'll make it into a sport coat.
That's right, the gang's all here. The entire Peanuts gang and all your favorite animated Peanuts titles. Now on video at great low prices, even a grown-up can't resist.
Is that right? Come on, Charlie Brown. It's a big honor for you.
So join Charlie Brown, Snoopy, Lucy, and the entire cast of unforgettable Peanuts characters in their most memorable classics.
I decided to say a few words about the Great Pumpkin.
It's
It's
the
a
Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving. A Charlie Brown Christmas. Happy New Year, Charlie Brown.
Be my Valentine, Charlie Brown. And it's the Easter Beagle, Charlie Brown.
All right, everybody, listen up.
And don't forget about all the other great Peanuts adventures.
I can see it now.
Yes, it's the very best of Peanuts, and they're priced to make you smile.
Of all the Charlie Browns in the world, you're the Charlie Browniest.
Collect them all, now on video cassette.
Only from Paramount. And now, our feature presentation. 20th Century Fox.